Here's how to change a color of any object in DaVinci Resolve. Okay, so here we have our clip and we're wanting to change the color of the rose. So we're going to come across to the color page. We're going to select the qualifier tool here and click on the red part of the rose. This will highlight all the colors in that range, as you can see from this node here. To view the highlights, just click the highlights button up here. Now you can see it's done a pretty good job highlighting all the red, but it is missing a few bits. So just come down to the picker add tool and fill in these gray spots here. And you can see it's filling in our rose, a bit over there. Now if we want to just finesse the selection a little bit, we can come and adjust these sliders. So these just kind of round off the masking and make it look a bit smoother. Cool, so there we have our rose selected. Now if we move across to the curves, we make sure we're on the hue versus hue curve. Now we just move this line to change the color of our rose. And there you have it. If you like this video, subscribe for more.